Yeah, sodium-ion batteries. So let's start with batteries. You all know if the sun is shining, everybody screams for photovoltaic. If the wind is blowing, everybody screams for wind parks. Yeah? What to do when there is no sun and no wind at all? Yeah? Everybody's screaming for storage systems. Quite interesting about that topic is you have a change of 20% of power within 1 minute. Yeah? So it's a really big change you have to handle in the battery. Yeah? Then we have a look on the prices, yeah? Because nowadays photovoltaic and wind is quite good, and it will get even cheaper. Yeah? And if you look on batteries, it also seems that batteries will get cheaper. So battery, wind and solar is quite a good thing, isn't it? Let's have a deeper look into batteries. Yeah, 80%, as you have seen before. The costs go down every decade. The energy density is going up, and also the degradation rate is going down. So the battery is getting better and better. Another question would be, sorry, I forgot that one. All the people want to have one of those batteries. So what to do? So we decided to go for sodium ion. What is sodium ion? So basically sodium, nowadays it's lithium ion, and in sodium ion you exchange the lithium with sodium, and as in lithium you have several types like lithium iron phosphate or nickel mangan cobalt or titan oxide or something, and also in sodium ion you have different types of cathodes and anodes. What's the benefits of sodium ion? Sodium ion is more powerful, kind of. Yeah? We can do cycling rates with 2 and 4 C. Yeah? So we can do 1 C for, I don't know, for forever without active cooling. When it's getting to 4 C, we do need some cooling, yeah? But it's very high performing. Another big advantage is the temperature. So when you have minus 20 degrees, there is still 90% of energy there. Okay, so you have a cold start of the battery. You can also get out power if you want it at the moment. Sustainable. There is no hazardous material inside, so we don't have any cobalt. We don't have any copper or lithium. It's basically sodium, which is in table salt kind of. There's also a social responsibility. You all know the pictures from the lithium in Bolivia and from the childhood work in Congo and so on. All the elements used in a sodium-ion battery are not rare or something, and they can be achieved, for example, in Europe. Brings me to the next point. We want to do a complete supply chain within Europe. We get the cells. You see the cells in this module. We get the cells from a French company. It's called Tiamat. We build a module, and then we stack the modules together, how big you ever want them, and then you can plug it to your inverter. It's very safe in operation. I know, although lithium iron is also very safe, but this is even safer. It's very interesting when you see a nail penetration test and the nail goes through and you put it out again and actually nothing happens at all. Safe in logistics. You can fully discharge a sodium-ion battery, so there is no problem when you put it from A to B or when you store it at a certain place. So nothing can happen because there is no energy at all in it. Maybe some words for our company. Founded 1.5 years ago. We are now doing research and development. Like 2 months ago, we had our first prototype. The first loading and unloading was quite nice in it wasn't a garage, it was a carport in Austria. The wind was blowing through, it was quite cold. So it was not California. And within the next 2 years we want to go in serious production. Yeah, some technical details. As I said, the nail penetration test is on the left side, and on the right side you have a temperature simulation. And yeah, if you want to go in detail, I think you come over to the booth and we talk about that. What's the product range? From household applications in the middle, it's scalable up to container or even large-scale power plants. Some more information if you need it. Otherwise, I'm happy to welcome your questions.